So my name is Alison Bacon. I'm from East Los Angeles Skills Center, Los Angeles Unified School District. And the importance of creating pathways from K-12 to the community college is super important to give exposure to our students to find one or more careers that they would be interested in and to continue their journey of lifelong learning. It's a daily challenge, and many people have more than one career as they progress through life. So having the exposure and the ability to choose wisely what their interests lie makes it really important for many students. So ProvenREADY and being able to experience this professional development here at Google is super exciting for educators and support staff and advisors to give us kind of a bird's eye view of what people are interested in and to kind of give us the nudge to continue to be lifelong learners. So ProvenREADY, I think for me and the team I'm going to take it back to, is going to enhance our professional development and maybe give us another platform to succeed with our students and try to encourage them to continue on their technical journey.